Hello everybody, good day to all of you. Today's recipe is a simple one from the Sindhi Cuisine. It's a drumstick flour stir fry with lotus stem. We call it Jeere Tamate mein Swanjhro ein Beeha. This combination goes very well, and this is a simple stir fry without the addition of too many spices. There is no onion, no garlic also added to it. It's very light and it goes very well with rotis, or even you can relish it with dhodho. Dhodho means bhakri in Sindhi. You can make dhodho and enjoy this curry. Let's proceed to make. We have taken 1 bowl of boiled drumstick flowers. Check out the video on how to clean and boil them. I have shared the link in the description box. And here 10 to 12 slices of lotus stem boiled. 2 tomatoes cut into small pieces. Oil as required. We'll be using 3 to 4 tablespoons. For the spices, here we have cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, red chilli powder half teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, salt as needed, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Now let's get started. In a pan, heat the oil. Three to 4 tablespoons. Add the cumin seeds and stir them. We'll allow them to crackle. Now once this is done, dip in the tomato pieces. Cover and simmer them. We have to cook the tomatoes until they are soft and mushy. In between, open the lid and keep stirring them. This will take about 1.5 to 2 minutes of cooking. Continue stirring and mashing them with the spatula. Now add the salt, turmeric powder and spice powders, chilli, cumin and coriander. Vegetarian curries I don't add garam masala powder. If you wish to add, you can add a little bit, but I don't think it's required. Mix everything together, give it a good stir so that all the masalas are blended together. Now we are going to add 2 or 3 tablespoons of water and allow them to cook. Simmer it until you see the oil is separating. Now add the lotus stem pieces. They are boiled already, so it will not take long time to cook. Saute them a bit, say about 1 minute. Stir and simmer them. You'll see once the water is dried up, you can see the oil coming out. At this stage, dip in the boiled drumstick flowers. Give it a nice stir. We are going to mix everything together. Now if you wish to add a little bit of curd, you can go ahead and add it, but I don't prefer, because 2 tomatoes are quite enough for the sourness. Continue to stir fry and simmer it on low flame until the drumstick flowers are done and the water is all dried up from the curry. Check for the salt. Salt and spices can be adjusted to your liking. Now towards the end, we'll add the coriander leaves. Now how to freeze the coriander leaves, I'm sharing the link in the description box. Now the curry is done. Swanjhro ein Beeha with beer is ready to be served. Delicious dry version of Swanjhro with lotus stem. You can enjoy this with rotis or even dhodho. Dhodho is bhakri. We call it dhodho in Sindhi. It pairs very well with dhodho also. Hope you all like this Sindhi special bhaji. Friends, do subscribe to the channel if you have not done so and click on the bell icon to be notified about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. You can check them out if you have not seen them. Have a nice day.